Which great warrior was associated with the horse named Chetak? A. Maharana Pratap. B. Shivaji Maharaj. C. Prithviraj Maharaj. Correct answer is A. Maharana Pratap. What was the name of Mahatma Gandhi's wife? A. Kasturba Gandhi. B. Sarojini Gandhi. C. Lakshmibai Gandhi. Correct answer is A. Kasturba Gandhi. Which state produces the most chickpeas? A. Madhya Pradesh. B. Uttar Pradesh. C. Bihar. Correct answer is A. Madhya Pradesh. What do the 5 Olympic rings represent? A. 5 continents. B. 5 sports. C. 5 countries. Correct answer is A. 5 continents. Which country does Coca-Cola belong to? A. UK. B. USA. C. Canada. Correct answer is B. USA. When did the first train run in the world? A. 1625. B. 1825. C. 1925. Correct answer is B. 1825. In which Indian river are diamonds found? A. Godavari. B. Krishna. C. Panna. Ken. Correct answer is C. Panna. Ken. Which community celebrates the festival of Baisakhi? A. Muslims. B. Sikhs. C. Christians. Correct answer is B. Sikhs. What is the national heritage animal of India? A. Elephant. B. Tiger. C. Lion. Correct answer is A. Elephant. In which Indian state is actor Amitabh Bachchan's in-laws home located? A. Madhya Pradesh. B. Haryana. C. Uttar Pradesh. Correct answer is C. Uttar Pradesh. Which country has never experienced an earthquake? A. Brazil. B. Saudi Arabia. C. Qatar. Correct answer is C. Qatar. Which animal can eat its own body when hungry? A. Octopus. B. Chameleon. C. Snake. Correct answer is A. Octopus. BMW is a company from which country? A. USA. B. Germany. C. Japan. Correct answer is B. Germany. What is the cow's favorite color? A. Blue. B. Red. C. None. Correct answer is C. None. Which animal gets angry the most? A. Elephant. B. Tasmanian devil. C. Lion. Correct answer is B. Tasmanian devil. Which Indian state receives the most rainfall? A. Meghalaya. B. Kerala. C. Sikkim. Correct answer is A. Meghalaya. From which country does India buy the most weapons? A. France. B. USA. C. Russia. Correct answer is C. Russia. Which is the fastest running animal? A. Lion. B. Cheetah. C. Leopard. Correct answer is B. Cheetah. In which country is samosa banned? A. Pakistan. B. Afghanistan. C. Iran. Correct answer is B. Afghanistan. Where does the sun rise first in India? A. Mizoram, B. Arunachal Pradesh, C. Assam. Correct answer is B. Arunachal Pradesh.